Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. To me, cooking is all about possibilities. If you see possibilities of what you can do, you will make cooking far more fun and interesting. As I have mentioned in my past video, I love noodle soup. At the same time, I also like egg omelet. So one thought come to my mind is that could I combine both of them together? One morning I lay in bed and thought about this, and this definitely motivated me to get out of the bed and go into the kitchen. With my fast cooking system, I was able to have my breakfast on the table in about 15 minutes. To me, my ability to execute this cooking idea is advanced prepping. As I have shown in my other videos, I always have some angel hair pasta noodle prep and store in my refrigerator. I pick out the amount of noodles that I need and I warm it up with boiling water. I learned this trick at a noodle shop when I visited Vietnam a few years ago. This way will allow me to get the noodles ready in just a few seconds. The next step is to create the soup for the noodle. After some experimentation, I discovered that my basic seasoning mix is perfect for create such a noodle soup. I then add a touch of soy sauce to provide some saltiness. And then a couple drops of sesame oil round out the flavor. I found some scallion that always great to finish it up. Then all I need to do next is to add some boiling hot water to create the soup. And then a few quick mix, the noodle soup is ready. Now the next all I need to do is to cook some ingredients to go with the noodle soup. And I decided I'm going to make an omelet. To me, cooking is most fun when you can do it spontaneously. When you're able to cook something that comes to your mind and you're able to make it happen. Because of this reason, I always look to improve my technique as well as improve the flavor of what I cook. Cooking this egg omelet is the combination of these thoughts and ideas. Instead of breaking the egg in advance before I put them into the wok, I decided I'm going to crack the egg directly into the wok. This is not a random idea. In fact, it is a deliberate thought and approach. In fact, the basic technique of this method is actually based on frying an egg. So what I did here is that I turned a fried egg into the skin of an egg omelet. And then I put different kind of fillings into the egg as I would when I make an egg omelet using the traditional method. Here I start out with some chopped portobello mushrooms. I already have the mushroom prep in my advanced prepping. All I need to do is chop them up so they will fit into the omelet. And next I found some scallions in my prep as well. So this is really easy because advanced prepping make it very convenient. To top it off, I added some shredded cheese that I have in the refrigerator. One of my former students in my cooking class told me that shoot for advanced prepping is like putting money in the bank and you can withdraw it anytime you want. This makes home cooking both conducive and fun. I use a little bit of my basic seasoning mix to flavor the egg omelet. For me in the past, folding an egg omelet is always the biggest challenge in cooking the dish. Most of the time, the skin of the omelet starts to break apart. However, I don't have to worry about using this approach. As you can see, the skin of the egg omelet holds together really well. As you can see here, using this approach, the skin of this egg omelet is much stronger. It holds up better than a regular egg omelet. I have a lot of fun making this egg omelet because it comes together really well and it can also hold a lot of fillings. It is very satisfying to see something come out really well. So I'm going to lay it directly over the noodles which I have made earlier. Again, with advanced prepping, I found some colored bell pepper in the refrigerator. I also find some cherry tomato that has been cut in half, and this makes a very nice garnish to this noodle soup. I must admit that it was an unusual breakfast. It was the first for me, but I know that I'm going to enjoy this. So what is the verdict? I really like the egg omelet that was being cooked this way. I prefer this kind of egg omelet much better than the traditional egg omelet where you beat the egg in advance. Of course, I always enjoy the noodle soup, so this makes a wonderful breakfast. And with 2 eggs and all different kinds of vegetables, it is also nutritional. However, most importantly, I have a lot of fun in making this dish. Hopefully through this video, I provide you with another example how I put my fast cooking system to work with flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and templates-based cooking. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.